If you want to copy a text on Google Pixel 10, what you can do is most of the time you can simply press and hold your finger on the first word that you wish to copy. There we go. And then as you can see, we have the copy option, or we can share the selected text. You can also press select all in order to select the whole text that you have opened on a page, for example. Or you can grab by these blue things in order to extend the range. So as you can see, we can adjust the sentence or all these words that we want to copy. Over here we can just tap on the copy, and there we go, we have it over here. Now if you, for example, open your keyboard, you should be able to find the clipboard over here, so you can tap in order to immediately copy the selected text, or you can go into the keyboard's clipboard over here. We need to turn it on, of course, to use it, and there we go. Over here we can also just paste the text again. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.